G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us tonight or today, wherever you are in this big world of ours. Right, let's get into it. Now, if you've clicked on the video, I thank you again. And hopefully you give me a thumbs up and a comment and maybe share the video. Anyway, so if you've clicked on the video tonight, you don't want to really hear me ramble on too much, but you want to see the nuts and guts of it. So this is it. These are my word bearers. A quick little proof of concept that I've, banged out. I had some leftover Mark 6 parts that I didn't give to my boys. My boys pillaged all the Mark 6 tactical marines to make their own little kill team squads for their own legions, and they left me with a few bits and bobs, so I thought I would combine them with a box of Chaos Space Marines, the new box. And as you can see from the pictures, I think it turned out rather well. It's a really simple, easy kit bash you can do. It's all it is just swapping the arms over and the backpacks and a few heads, and yeah, get yourself, I'd say, you can use this for Heresy, you can use this for 40k, 30k. Really, you can use it for anything. Like if you read or listen to the books, the Black Library books, they go through telling you about how each of the legions had their own unique look and feel, and especially the Traitor legions, their evolution. If you listen to at the start, they give little hints of what their legion character is going to become. They're very, very vanilla, very stock standard. Armies like the Word Bearers, they don't display their allegiance openly up until about Calf, and then they go all in. But even earlier in the series, like when they're talking about the Sons of Horus, they're talking about how the Sons of Horus like to decorate their army, especially the Chthonian Sons of Horus. Not so much the Terran-born, but the Chthonians. They like to use spikes and chains and take skulls and have top knots and gang glyphs. So you see that evolution and progression through the series of books, and eventually they start turning more chaosy. And by the Siege of Terror, they're pretty well identifiable as traitors. Very identifiable. Emperor's Children, they went in balls deep real early. But yeah, you get like not so much the Iron Warriors. They stayed pretty stock standard vanilla. I mean, they have their own unique look, so you can get away with them pretty easily. But when it comes to doing this sort of thing for the Word Bearers, yep, no worries, can do. Sons of Horus, go for it. Night Lords are a very big one for it. Yeah, you could even just use these for just normal. I mean, take a few of the Chaos Stars off, and away you go. You got yourself Night Lords. But for most parts, most of the legions you can get away with fairly easily. Just doing this little quick and easy kit bash. So I hope you take some inspiration from it. I hope you like this. Just give us a bit of a thumbs up and maybe a comment. Tell us what you think. Like I said, this would be great for the Traitor legions. Not all of them, but some of them. Just give you some of that bit of a break from the stock standard vanilla Mark 6. Especially if the upgrade kits aren't doing it for you. This could help you out. Yeah, it might be a little bit more expensive, but it helps give you a bit of a unique look. So yeah, anyway, thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you later. Bye.